When you access the SmartSubmit portal for the first time, the chapter placeholders will be empty. The first step is to download all reference material. Click on a chapter and then open the Guidelines and Previous Edition tab. Select the files you need and click on the download icon. The file downloads to your computer in a folder of your choice as specified in your Google Chrome settings. The system will alert you about download time in case the number of files being downloaded exceeds 150 or if the total download size exceeds 300 megabytes. The files will be available in the Downloads area. To submit your manuscript, click on the chapter card. Drag and drop the manuscript into the manuscript file Dropbox on the left pane. Or you can browse and select the file from your desktop. Keep in mind that manuscript files must be in .doc or .docs format, and there is no file size limit. Notice how the file name gets populated on the chapter card as you drop files. Any additional files, such as artwork or supplementary material, should be uploaded to the Other Files Dropbox. There is no restriction on file size or file type. Click on the button below to submit your files. In case the file upload is not complete, the system will prompt you to wait and try again after the completion of the upload. Once the submission is successfully completed, the chapter card will no longer be seen in the pending chapters view. You can still access the chapter in all chapters mode, but you will not be able to make any changes.